Hi guys, nandito kami ngayon sa Pugad Adventure sa Pugo, La Union. Ayan, ito yung entrance. Mga kasama ko nandun na. Yahoo! Entrance. Pugad. Ayan yung itsura niya. May water rafting. Ayan ang pool. Alright. Tingnan natin ang ano nila. Mapa. Yan. Alright. Yan ang mga adult 200 kids 150. Ayan, phase 1 PM to 11 AM. Phase 2 ayan po yung mga cottage. Talagang adventure. Papunta ka pa lang sa phase 2. Ayun! Doon sa taas ng bundok. Andun yung phase 2. Phase 1 pa lang to guys. Tatawid tayo ng anong tawag doon? Hindi hanging bridge. Pupunta lang tayo doon sa phase 2. Alright, sabangan nyo. Eto na. Ito na po ang hanging bridge. Tatawid na kami ng hanging bridge. Ayan o. Ano po to? Pugad Adventure sa Pugo, La Union. Uy, lumiit na yung hanging bridge nila. Dati kasi malapad ang hanging bridge nila. Uy, pwede bumaba. Yan o. Ito na yung hanging bridge. Magpahuli ako. Natatakot ako. Ay, nahihilo ko. Uy! Madam! Wag, madam! Hoy! Ang daya nyo! Takot ako dun ah. Nag-ano siya oh. Nag-wiggle-wiggle ba? Oh, ayan oh. Ayan yung hanging bridge. Doon kami galing sa phase 1. Nandito na kami sa phase 2. 200 ang adult per head. Pavilion Kubo 36 ta. Ayan. Oh, ayan yung mga kubo. Alright. Ayan. Ayan yung another pool. Pangatlong pool. May tumalon. Another hanging bridge. Ayan yung mga kubo. Pugad Adventure. Ayan pa yung kubo. Abangan nyo. Ayan ulit yung second bridge. Second hanging bridge. Ayan. Pwede yan oh. Ay awan. Tambakan na. Second bridge, hanging bridge. Tatawid ulit tayo. Malapad-lapad. hanging bridge. Uy, ang daya mo, porque ako'y nasa likuran, hinibigol mo ha. Daya nitong dalawang to, ayan ang sekretary at saka tres namin ng barangay. Ayan na yung pool ulit, pang-apat and pang-lima. Ito yung pool. Pugad Adventure. Ayan. Ayun yung zip line sa taas. Zip line. Tapos yung linya na yan. Hanggang doon sa Pugad Adventure. Ayun. Doon ang bagsak. Ito yung mga cottage. Shout out sa Team Pahid at sa Pinoy Vlogger Charity Group. Shout out sa inyo. And phase 1 or phase 2 Karayan malaki. Olympic pool nila, family pool. Ayan, itsura oh. Dito isa mabalin dito iti pwesto. Tuwang akit din na. Pugad Adventure sa Pagulaon yun. May zipline. Din silang mini zoo. Mini zoo. Dito tayo sa gitna. Dito tayo sa gitna. Ito. Wala rin. Asa na yun? Ay, tiger. Ito, tiger. Tiger. Ito, laki. Hi. Uy. Hi. Tapos mga pigeon. Oh, may nakabasto siya doon, oh. At nabasto na. May minusu, may kakotel, blue and yellow, pigeon, Philippine eagle, may nakawala, Philippine eagle, eaglet, peacock, eagle yan, eagle. To si eagle. Ayan. Kumonti na lang. Dati marami. Maraming pakawala na wedding pig yun, no? Peacock. Woo! nang pakipot pa. Buka mo.
Sige na, patingin na mo. Doon ka pala.
Timing, timing.
Saan na yung ano? Ah, sa taas niya. Yun. Sugat.
Okay. Okay.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up.
Para
I
maniwala
don't
naman
ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough
konti lang
and
tao
wanna hate
kasi hindi
this,
naman
I'll always show up and make a
malarip siya.
Everything I do so instinctive and so passionate. Every word I move so descriptive like an adjective. I got a vendetta against people who patented being negative when you should be getting after it. I got
Yan,
facts over
dati,
facts over tracks, this and that, spitting slow,
60,
spitting fast. I can
61,
roast, I can gas, think I'm okay at
napili
last,
sa
but I
tapat ng
don't know if that
children's
can
school
erase all the
at
past and the
nandun yung malaking
pettiness.
pool sa
A
kabilang
reflection
side.
of the emptiness, hilarious. You think you're worth my time,
And
you're
then,
delirious, mysterious because you
yung
are behind a fake exterior.
view niya dito
Inferior,
sa
you know
likuran
I'll always
ay
be a
ito.
bit superior. Get off of me, this ain't no humble brag. I want you to hear
Tapos,
words, you can say them back. I
pag
want you to
malakas
feel
ano,
free
pwede
from the chains
mag-water
that last and to
rafting.
believe in what
At
you got.
nandun
It
sa
was
taas
built to
ang
last. Yeah.
landing ng zip line.
Now that I've been put through hell, I never got
At pwedeng
anyone's
magkamal
help.
dyan ng
I had to do it all myself. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit.
ayan, dumaan siya sa hanging bridge. So,
If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show
pwede ang
up
takot
and make
sa
a
hanging bridge.
statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the
Nakaya naman
fakeness. If you wanna play tough
sa
and wanna
hanging
hate
bridge.
this,
Ako
I'll
mauna.
always show up and make a statement.
Ako ang mauna.
Consequence of being incompetent. Mental health is confidence, dreams into modestness. I'm not here to save
Eto
the
na.
day, that's for you to take away. I could play a million mind games, but instead I say something not illogical, something that is topical. Rub it on and watch it go. Make yourself unstoppable. Use your irresponsible, but they're always possible. If you just believe, you could be so remarkable. Thoughts in my head, a collage and they spread. I'll be great one day, going off of my meds. No, I'm not giving up. No, I'm not giving in. I will make it to the top, taking off in the wind. I gotta make it. I'm saving every day to taste it. I'm patient, but my mind it can hardly take it. I'm chasing a dream that I've had for several ages of bacon. Modern kingdom for the taking. Now that I've been put through hell, I never got anyone's help. I had to do it all myself.
Ay, salamat.
I don't ever
lang,
slow
dulo.
up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up
Okay,
and
guys.
make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up.
Bootski Fatsky, please do subscribe.